Hey everyone, today I am going to be talking about how to know bird behavior and capture stunning photographs. Hi, I am Vishakha from India. In this channel, I share tips on photography, post-processing, how to manage money to buy new gear, and finding spiritual growth through capturing nature and wildlife. Please subscribe to see more content like this. Every bird tells a story. From the way it moves, chirps, or even flaps its wings, it's communicating something. To capture stunning photographs, the first step is understand bird behavior. Bird behavior offers insight into their lives. From feeding to nesting, observing these actions helps you to capture moments that reveals a bird's world. This means learning about their habits, routines, and social interactions. You can do this by reading books, watching documentaries, or simply observing birds into your backyard or a local park. Once you know how birds behave, you can predict their movements and be in the right place at the right time to capture the perfect shot. Here are a few tips for understanding bird behavior. Observe birds in their natural habitats. Pay attention to how they interact with each other, how they find food, and how they build their nests. Learn about different bird species. Each species has its own unique behavior, so it's important to learn as much you can about the bird you are interested in photographing. You can visit Marlin Bird ID or ebird.org. You can find the link at description. Use a bird identification guide. This will help you identify different bird species and learn more about their behaviors. Use the right equipments. The second step is to use the right equipments. A good camera with a long lens is a must. You also need a tripod to help you keep your shots steady. The third step is to find the right location. Look for the places where birds are likely to congregate, such as feeders, water sources, or nesting areas. Be patient. The fourth step is to be patient. It can take a long time to get the perfect shot of a bird. Don't get discouraged if you don't get the shot you want right away. Just keep practicing and eventually you will be rewarded with a stunning photograph. You can check some of my captured photos after a long wait. The fifth step is to use the right settings on your camera. This includes choosing the right shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. If you want to freeze the bird motion and avoid blur, use first shutter speed. And if you want to capture some creative slow shutter shot, then use slow shutter. I'll create a detailed video on these settings. Get close to your subject. The sixth step is to get as close to your subject as possible without disturbing them. This will help you capture a more intimate and detailed photograph. The seventh step is to use the right lighting. The best time to photograph birds is early in the morning or late in the afternoon when the light is soft and golden. The eighth step is to be creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles, compositions, and lighting. The ninth step is to practice, practice, and practice. The more you photograph birds, the better you will become at capturing stunning photographs. So, in summary, tips for capturing stunning photographs of birds: use a telephoto lens, try using tripod to help you keep your shots steady, experiment with different shutter speed and apertures to get perfect exposure, pay attention to the background of your photos, make sure it is not distracting and that it complements your subjects. Be patient and wait for the perfect moment to take a photo. By these tips, you can capture stunning photographs of the bird that you will be proud to share with the world. I would also like to add that it is important to be respectful of the birds and their habitat. Please do not disturb them or put them in danger. I hope these tips help you to capture stunning photographs of birds. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. If you have any query, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for the watching.